In this video I'm going to discuss about off-page optimization. So what is this off-page optimization? What is the importance of this off-page optimization for our website? And it's completely called as link building process, how we can exactly get backlinks and all. So that all the things we're going to discuss in this video. So let's get started. Off-page optimization is all about whatever the optimization techniques you are performing outside of the website. So you're not even touching your website. So without touching your websites completely, the techniques, whatever the techniques you have, you are performing completely outside of the website. That is what simply off page. Okay, what is mean by off page? What is mean by simply outside? So outside is completely depends on backlinks. Okay, tell me what are the different kinds of links we have? We have internal links, right? What are these internal links? Internal links means the links which are given within your site, right? From one page to another post or one post to another post. That is what internal links. Then external link.
The links taken from the outside of the website.
So we are redirecting our customers to other website, right? So external link, I am trying to redirect my customers, my users from my website to other website. That is what simply external link. The link is going to external website. Okay. So giving an internal link, is it in your hands? Can I give a internal link? Anyone can give internal links, right? So now you can give internal links, I can give internal, so it is in my hands. I can redirect wherever I want. Giving an external link, giving an external link, is it in your hands? Can I give a link back to any other website? Can I give a link back to Amazon? Can I give a link back to Flipkart? Can I do that? Yes. Yes, we can do, right? We already seen. So in the on-page optimization, there are two things like internal links and external links. So while doing this external link, I don't need to have any permission from that website. I can happily give a link back to that website. That is what simply external link, right? So I can give a link back to any other website as I want. I just need a website URL, that's it. So if you browse in Google, you will find out a number of websites. You can just copy that complete website address and you can paste it in. So external, giving an external link is also in my hands. One more thing is called backlinks. So backlinks means from other websites to your website. So now let's say I am trying to give a link back to Mina's website. So that is in my hands. Can I get a link from Mina's to my website? Is it in my hands? Is it in my hands? Tell me.
No.
No, it's not in my hands, right? So let me just show you one simple diagram. Two websites here. So if this website is giving a link back to this website, what does it mean? It is an external link for this website, and for this website it is a backlink, right? For this website is an external link. Okay, so now if this website link backs to this website, what does it mean? For this it is a backlink, and for this website it is an external. Simply we call it as a inbound links. Okay, this is called inbound link and this is called outbound link. The link which is going out from our website, we call it is a outbound links. The link which is coming to our website from other website, that is called a inbound links. Okay, so your off-page optimization complete depends on inbound links, backlinks. So it is not about internal links, not about external. So it is completely about inbound links, like a backlinks. So why? Because it is not in our hands, right? So now if Meena have to give me a link, that means if she wants to give me a backlink means, so why others will give a backlink simply? Tell me, why others will give me the backlink? So if my content is very good, if my traffic is very good, so that Meena can give me a backlink. So Meena can redirect her users to my website simply, so that I can gain their traffic. I can gain some users here from Meena's website. So why others will simply send their traffic to ours? Tell me. Now Meena is why she is going to send half of her traffic to my website? Why? So does she get any benefit over there? So here I'm getting a benefit. Why? Because I'm getting a lot of traffic, I'm getting a lot of user engagement. So fine. So what is the benefit is she going to get? Mhm. Now let me just show you ODMT here. So here you can see like digital marketing is a clickable text, and ODMT here it is a clickable text, and fees also clickable text. Let me try to click those things and see where they are redirecting. So where I'm redirecting, yes, ODMT.in, what is digital marketing? So is it, what type of link it is? Internal link or external link?
Internal.
Internal link. Okay. So what is this again? When I click this fees keyword, I am redirecting to this. So tell me, is this an internal link or external link?
External.
External link. So I'm redirecting my customers to the some external website. So if someone reads this content, they will be redirect. That means half of my users are redirected to this website. What benefit we are going to get? So this website is gaining a lot of traffic from me. That is fine. He is gaining some benefit. Then what benefit am I going to get if I redirect the customers to this website? Why anyone can give a backlink? So simply, right? So as of now, we found this website a very good website. It has a very good content as well. So we are impressed with this content, and we felt that yes, people who are redirected to this website, they will feel happy. The user engagement will more. Now Prabhu is there. Prabhu been to ODMT and he redirected to the Blue Fountain Media, which have a very good information. So now Prabhu will feel very good, right? So now here users good experience. Even ODMT is facing users good experience for redirecting the user. Even Blue Fountain Media is also facing some good experience. Why? Because it have a very good content. Now let us say if I redirect to a website which does not have anything, which is showing some 404 error. So what Prabhu will feel now? So definitely he will face some users bad experience, right? He will face bad experience. Why? Because from their website to he is redirected some other website which does not have anything. So he never believe in me as well. So he never believe in Google, in ODMT also. Why? Because ODMT is sending to other website which does not have anything. That is the reason I already told you. Make sure when you try to give some external link, make sure that that website should have some good content and all. Okay, so now let us discuss how exactly this Google is going to consider. So what factors the Google is considering about these backlinks and all, let us see. So as I told you that 40% is on page and 40% is off page, and remaining 20% is technical SEO, right? So we just done with the 40% of our SEO, that's it. So remaining 40% is still we have to do. By doing this on-page optimization, Google will understand. So just Google will crawl and index and it will give you some position, that's it. So now Meena had a positions of 214, that's it. If she want to improve the rankings of that blog for a particular keyword, she should do some off-page optimization. Off-page optimization means simply getting a backlinks from other websites to our website. So what is this backlink? Backlink means simply voting. Okay, so giving a voting to that website. Now let us say uh, Meena is voting to me. If Meena give a backlink to me, so Meena is voting to me, giving a vote. So for what it is, for what she is voting, so for which position she is voting, that is here we need to be more clear. First of all, backlinks, from where we have to get it and how exactly we have to get it and how Google will calculate, let us see. First thing is the domain authority. Page authority. So as we discussed that backlinks is not in our hands. So we need to impress others with our content, with our traffic and all. Okay. So that is the reason we are trying to have a good domain authority, page authority. First of all, what is this domain authority? Let us see. Domain authority is an authority which ranges from 1 to 100. So 1 is a minimum and 100 is a maximum. If your domain authority is 100, so your website is a very good one. So page authority is also ranges from 1 to 100. Okay, what does it mean actually? Domain authority is complete authority given to your website. So what is the website goodness? What is the website authority here? So based on what factors that Google is going to give you some domain authority and page authorities. So first thing is it calculates age. Next thing is it calculates traffic. Next thing is it calculates a quality backlinks. Okay, so based on these three factors, Google will give a domain authority and page authority. What is meant by age? Age means you already know when the website has started. That is what age. Traffic. So what is the traffic? So 1.5K, 5K, 2K. What is the traffic you are gaining for month? What is the traffic you are gaining per 1 day, 2 days? So depends on your traffic, it will give you the domain authority. Next, what is this quality backlink? Now let us come to this point. As we already know what is mean by backlink, getting a link from other websites to our website. So when someone vote for us, then it would be a backlink. Okay, so now how exactly Google is going to calculate is, earlier Google used to concentrate on quantity of backlinks. Let me clearly explain you. Now here there is two websites. It is a Kirtika's website, Samina's, and it's me. And this is the Vishnu's website. Okay. So here Vishnu wants to get a more and more backlinks. Why? Because so Google will see my on-page optimization, Google will see my off-page optimization. Based on those factors, based on two factors, Google will give me the rankings. Okay. So now what Vishnu have done is Vishnu started getting a backlinks. So he started getting a backlinks from Kirtika. He started getting a backlinks from Akansha. He started getting from Prabhu as well. Okay, so here he is getting a backlinks from 3 of website. So now let us say Vishnu. Vishnu's website is all about educational website. Okay, educational website. Now Meena's website is all about coronavirus. Coronavirus. Akanksha website is all about SEO. And here Prabhu's website is all about fitness. Now tell me here, everyone are redirecting to a Vishnu's website. So now what does it mean? Vishnu is getting a 3 backlinks. Am I right? So what Google will do? Will Google reach out only Vishnu's website? Will it reach out only Vishnu's website? No, right? It will reach out each and every website that have a hosting. So now it will reach out, sorry, who is this? Koro? Kirtika? And sorry, Meena's, right? Okay. And SEO is Akanksha's and fitness is Prabhu. Okay. What happens here? Google, when Google comes to Meena's website, Google will see that Google will see her content and it will see what are the optimization she have done, and finally Google will redirect to a Vishnu's website. Why? Because Meena gave a link back to Vishnu. So Google will redirect and come back to Meena's website. Whenever Google will redirect, that will be a backlink. Okay, that will be a backlink for Vishnu. So again, Google will come to a Akanksha website and Google will redirect to a Vishnu's website and Vishnu is going to get a backlink. And again, Prabhu, from Prabhu's website, Vishnu is going. In such a way, Vishnu started getting a backlink from hundreds of websites. Hundreds of websites, he started getting a backlink. So Google used to calculate all those as a backlinks only. Okay, now how many backlinks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 backlinks he got. So based on-page optimization, based on off-page optimization. So if a person gets a more and more backlinks, he will be on top. The more the backlinks, the highest the position. Simply, this was a process that Google used to work out earlier. Okay, so earlier it just used to concentrate on only quantity. Why? Because here, is there any relation between coronavirus and then this educational website? Is there any relationship between this SEO content and then educational? Is there any relationship between fitness and then kind of educational? Is there any relation? So now a person who brings to a fitness content, why he wants to redirect to a educational website? Tell me, Prabhu, is that good to redirect to a person to unrelevant information?
No.
Mm-hmm. No, right? It's completely unfair. So why you have to work for the user's perspective, okay? Not for money or else not for driving a traffic. So when you give a genuine information for the user, definitely users will refer your websites to others. So in such a way, you will grow simply, right? 1 second. Now, Google has completely removed this process. Why? Because this person, Vishnu was trying to do some malpractices as Google is concentrating only on quantity. He tried getting a backlinks from different unrelevant website. So from coronavirus, from SEO, from witness, it's completely unrelevant information. So people uses Google to find out very good information and relevant information. And by using a Google, users are redirecting to some other website which is completely irrelevant. So no one uses Google next time if Google continuously follow these kinds of process. That is the reason Google has completely overcome these kinds of issues. Okay, so what happens now? It is going to concentrate on only quantity. See, now it is very hard on top. So by doing SEO, it is very hard. Why? Because Google have come up with more and more restrictions. Because as Google is striving hard to give a relevant information. So that hard work we have to do. So what is mean by quality here? Sorry. Quality. Quality means a person or a website should get a backlink from a relevant website only. Okay, so try to get a back. If it is an educational website, try to get a backlink from educational websites only. Try if it is a blog, beauty blogs kinds of thing, try to get a backlink from beauty kinds of things only. If it is a fitness website, try to get a backlink from fitness kinds of website. This is what quantity. It doesn't care about quality, it cares about quality only. Okay, one more thing you have to remember. Now, this is a one website. This is a one website. How Google is going to calculate the backlinks? Let us see. This is Chitra's website. A person means to now I have a complete digital marketing stuff. Okay, complete digital marketing stuff, and from my website to a person redirected to Akanksha's website here. Okay, this website. He was searching for a keyword and he found my website and he been to my website. Finally, he got redirected to Akanksha's website. Now, what happened? Google will calculate it as a one backlink. Okay, one backlink. So now, again, when other person searched with the same keyword, search with the same keyword. So let us say the keyword is like a digital marketing, online digital marketing only. So two people are searching for the keyword called online digital marketing and they found my website, they got redirected to a Akanksha. That means 2 people redirected to Akanksha's website. How many backlinks now? 2 people redirected to Akanksha website. How many backlinks now? So, is it a 2? Yes. Simply, right? So now earlier Google used to calculate it as a 2 backlink. That means 2 people are redirected to a Akanksha website. From my website to Akanksha website, they redirect, 2 people have redirect. That is the reason Google will calculate it as a 2 backlinks. So now what happens now? A person, how many people? So I don't care how many people, but if all the people been to your website by using the same keyword and redirected to the other website, I will be calculating it as a only one backlink. Okay, now let us say if 100 people searched with the keyword called online digital marketing and they found my website and been to all 100 people redirected to Akanksha website. So then also I'll be calculating it as a only one backlink. Why? Because all those people are been to my website by using only one keyword. Okay, now let us say one more other few more 100 people have been to my website for a keyword called digital marketing. This is the keyword they search for and they found my website. So one more 100 people, they find my website and they redirected to Akanksha. So now how many backlinks now? So now 2 backlinks. Why? Because it will consider this keyword, how many people been to this website for this keyword, it calculated as a 1. And for this keyword, it will calculate as a 1. Total overall 2 backlinks I received. 2 backlinks Akanksha received. How many people redirect also, I don't mind. If those people redirect with this by using the same keyword, so I will be calculating it as a 1 keyword. So this is also one of the important thing you should remember. Make sure that when you are trying to get a backlink, make sure that those it have a very good organic keywords. The website should appear for a multiple organic keywords. If that website is appearing for a multiple organic keywords means, so different people. So now if one person been to this Chitra's website from the keyword called online digital marketing and redirect to Akanksha, then also it will calculate only 1. So if 100 people redirect also, it calculates only 1, right? So in such a way, try to get a backlink from the website which are having some multiple organic keywords. This is also comes under quality. Google will calculate these kinds of things. The next thing is keyword. Okay, first under quality backlinks, first thing is that relevancy. So you should get a backlink from relevant website. The next thing is the keyword. Okay, what is meant by keyword? Now ODMT dotting. When someone click this digital marketing, this is the clickable text, right? This is what keyword. For which keyword you are getting a backlink is also very important. Okay, now tell me this bluefountainmedia.com. So for which keyword it is getting a backlink from ODMT? For which keyword? For fees keyword. Okay, so now for fees keyword, this Blue Fountain Media is getting a backlink. Now in such a way, if I get a backlink from other websites for a keyword called online digital marketing training, so that means Google will understand. Google will reach out to each and every website, right? So who gives a backlink to my website also, Google will find out. So what Google will think, oh, so many websites are voting to this website for a keyword called online digital marketing training. So maybe this website is more famous for this keyword. So I have to make this keyword, I have to make this website on top when someone searches for online digital marketing training. Okay, so when you perform off-page optimization, keyword is mandatory. So for what keyword you are optimizing is very, very important. Now here, for this digital marketing text, we give a link, right? In such a way, whatever the keyword that other websites are using to give a backlink, that is mandatory. So if they give a backlink for online digital marketing training, oh, very good. So that what happens, Google will think that I'm the very famous website for a keyword called online digital marketing. When someone searches for online digital marketing training, my website will come on top. This is what the importance of SEO. If you get a more and more votes from other websites to your website for a particular keyword, then obviously you will be on top. Now, Meena, you have a keyword called is kids are using a mask, right? What is that?
Is
You
my
have
kid
a
wearing a right mask?
right mask. Okay, so now what you have to do in order to show up the website on top for that keyword, you should get a backlinks from other websites to your website for that keyword, right? So when you get a backlink from other websites to your website for that keyword, Google will understand that yes, many people have been voting for her for this keyword. I have to make this website on top. So in such way, it will calculate like this as well. Okay, how many keywords, what are the keywords, and for which keyword you are getting a backlink. This is what relevancy, this is what quality backlink. Now let us say my website is all about educational website. If I get a backlink for a keyword called best shampoo to use, is that relevant? When someone click on that best shampoo to use clickable text, they are going to redirect to my website. Is that relevant? Is that relevant? Yes, this keyword is there. So I redirected my customers to the bluefountainmedia.com. So now is this a backlink or not? For whom it is a backlink? For whom it is a backlink? Answer. If you don't answer, what should I understand? So you're not getting the topic or else what? Hello?
It is a backlink for ODMT.
It is a backlink for ODMT or bluefountainmedia.com.
For ODMT.
ODMT. Okay, let me
Yeah.
pass it.
Content should be quality. As
Okay.
more the quality of the content improves, the others will give the backlink of relevance.
Okay. What does it mean? I have to wait, right? I have to wait to get a backlink. I don't know when I get a backlink. I don't know whether they will give a backlink or not. I can't predict, right? I can't predict the exact results. So at that time, what I have to do? So here we are not going to wait for getting a backlinks. We are going to do off-page optimization to get a backlinks to our website. Okay. So there are a few more techniques like directory submissions, then article submissions, blog commenting, then social bookmarking. Okay. So by following all these techniques, we are directly asking them to give a backlink for a particular keyword. So we are only deciding for which keyword you want to get a backlink. So by following all these techniques, we can happily get a backlink. Okay. This is what, anyhow, I'm not going to discuss about the techniques today. It would be like a heavy topic for you if I go and discuss these things today only. Just get perfect with these things. First, understand what is this backlink. Backlink means getting a link from other websites to our website. Why others will give you the backlink? So if you have a good domain authority and page authority, if you have a good traffic, so definitely they will give you the backlink, because as it is a genuine, they want to redirect the users to a genuine website. That is the reason they will do. But here also many people are trying to do some marketing. Okay, so people can do in three ways: free, reciprocal, and for money. Okay, so you can do this off page optimization in three ways: free, reciprocal, and money. Okay, Meena and then me. So what I'm trying to do is, Meena was trying to get a backlink from me. Meena is requesting me to give a backlink to her website. What I will do here, I can charge her. So you give me like $25. I will be giving a link back to your website. So that is the thing I can do here. Marketing, that means earning money. I can simply earn money by giving a backlinks to other websites as well. Then reciprocal. Reciprocal means I will ask Meena that if I wants to give you the backlink, you have to give me a backlink. So both, mutual agreement, we are going to work. So if I wants to give you the backlink, you should give me a backlink. That is what reciprocity. And then free. Free means if Meena asks me to give her a backlink, I will give it free. So I don't charge any money and I don't ask for reciprocity. I just give her a backlink for free, so without charging anything. So I'm just redirecting my customers to her website for free. That is what, in three ways we can do this off page optimization, whatever the techniques like directories, article submissions, and then social bookmarkings, whatever the techniques you follow, you can do in these three techniques: free, reciprocal, and money. And one more thing here, so earlier Google doesn't care. Google, used to not care about this reciprocal and money. Okay, so a person who gets the backlink through money or reciprocity, Google completely neglect it. So now what happens, Google is concentrating on money as well. That means a person who get a backlink also, it is going to give a good quality. Okay, so that is what Google is going on updating. We have to update ourselves. 6 months back it used to concentrate on only free backlinks. Now it is going to concentrate on both free and money backlinks as well. So that is the reason, according to the Google, we have to update ourselves, right? And techniques we're going to discuss it later. So let me ask, I should get in clarity whether you understood this topic or not. Pass it. Marketing training. So Kirtika has a good content. That means she was doing some on-page optimization. It was good. And her domain authority and page authority is 40-40. And Meena also does have a good content. And then domain authority and 50-60. Vishnu also have a very good content, 40 and 30. Now tell me who will be on top? Will be on top for a keyword. For this keyword, who will be on top?
Mina's domain.
Meena will be on top. Why? Because Meena have a good domain and page authority. What does it mean? If a website consists of a good domain and page authority, means the website does have a good age, okay, and it is a good, it is having some good traffic, and it does have a quality backlinks as well. So now Meena has everything good. That is the reason Google will show her website on top. Okay, so Meena. The next, tell me who will be on top? Kirtika or Vishnu? Vishnu is
Kirtika.
having a very good content, and Kirtika. Okay, so of course Vishnu's website also will come. Sometimes Google will concentrate on more on page optimization as well. So okay, fine, you'll get more confusion, right? Let me go with a good content. So now Kirtika will be in a second position. Finally, Vishnu will be in a third position. This is how Google is going to give you the ranking. So here, domain authority is the main thing. So if you have a good domain authority, that means quality backlinks. So what does mean by quality backlinks? You are getting some redirections. You are getting a backlinks from other websites to your website. Very relevant, right? Those redirections are very relevant, and for which keyword you are getting a backlink is also very, very important. Okay, now I have one more question for you. Vishnu received a backlink for a keyword called online digital marketing. He received a backlinks like a 10 backlinks for this keyword. Meena received 30 backlinks. Kirtika received 20 backlinks. So what is this mean? Backlinks means the relevance backlinks and the keyword called online digital marketing training. So Meena received 30 backlinks for a keyword called online digital marketing training. Kirtika received 20 backlinks and Vishnu received 10 backlinks. Now tell me which website will be on top now? Which website will be on top? Whose? Meena's will be on top. Why? Because Google thought that yes, many people are voting to this website for a keyword called online digital marketing training. So I should make her website on top. So simply Google will make Ina's website on top. That is what simply it works out with the off page. So that is what you should strive hard to get a backlinks and quality backlinks and for a particular keyword that you are looking out for. Right. So now can you tell me